Hello viewers, are you experiencing Google Messages photo emoji not sending? Something happened with photo emoji. Try restarting message error problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to settings option and then scroll down. Now go to apps or apps management option. Now tap on search app and search for Google Messages and then tap on Google Messages app. Now go to storage option, tap on storage, tap on clear cache. Now press on back button, tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store. Now tap on search app and search for Google Messages. From here, update your Google Messages app. I have already updated my Google Messages app. And then restart your phone. Press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.